40 years is quite a long time, but looking back, one would think I've been here only for 2 years. Actually, when I started here, I came with a 2-year contract. I got another year. I got another 2 years. And then it went
until life in prison.
Until life in prison. Yeah. So, in fact, I stayed here another 38 years after the first 2 years, and my wife was the 41 because when I applied for her to come, they said the 2-year contract has expired, so I have another year if she wants to come. So I took another year. So after my wife comes, I said, okay, so 1 year is just too little because she really had to go back. So let me request another 2 years. So it went on and on and on and on and on. Now I'm 40 years. During the last 40 years, I've seen so many changes here. From the 40 years, I think 39 years and some 9 months excellent ones. You see ups and downs, but the present ones are the largest majority. Thank you very much, Madam, for the last 10 years. And thank you very much, colleagues. From the last 10 years coming upwards, those I've seen only for some few weeks, some I've seen for some 10 years, some I've seen for some 15 years. Thank you all very much. Unfortunately, some few weeks ago, we lost my boss, who was also an excellent colleague who helped me to go over these 40 years. His soul rest in peace. So, at the end, I thank you very, very, very much, all of you. Those are here, those are here, those are not here, those are not here. Thank you so much, Madam. Thank you very much. Thank you so much, and may God bless you all. Wonderful surprise, very, very wonderful thing. I didn't expect it really. So it is a surprise. Thank you so much.
That's a secret.
If I wouldn't have it, maybe I would cry.
I would have somehow found
no, man, I was totally in darkness.
Very good.
Very good. I didn't know how to do anything. No.
We can plan.
Yeah.
A coup d'etat.